Hey everyone! Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today, me and Chloe both had off. Craziness, it's bright, one sec. It is a gorgeous day today. It's like over 90 degrees. We're at the Osthoff Resort. We just got some drinks. I got the berry Moscow Mule. Chloe got a carbless. We were on drink duty and we got them drinks. And they're playing some little frisbee in the water. Hey everyone, happy Monday. I'm bored and I want to do something. I'm gonna go thrifting right now by myself. At the end of this, I will show you a haul of what I all found. Let's hope I find at least one thing, because either I find a ton of stuff when I thrift or I find absolutely nothing. Hey, I'm in my suit. I just took a run and I went in the pool and I look disgusting. Here's a thrift haul for you guys. I got this little cute thingy. It's a flannel, but with a hood. So like, just like casual. Then I got this jean long sleeve shirt. There's fringes at the bottom and it's really flowy, so like off the shoulder, maybe tucked in. Lastly, I got this little mini cute purse. Thanks for tuning in. What the heck?
Who got Crumble cookie? Oh my gosh!
So, taste review coming soon. What? Welcome to Hauls with Izzy. I got these. They're like shorts.
Oh!
They look like a skirt in the front.
Party in the front, business in the back.
Exactly. Jean shirt.
That's cute.
The back looks like this. Then I got this. It was on clearance. But it's like flowy, but with some like loose jeans, you know? Mom didn't really like it, but I got it anyway. Then I got this bodysuit. I love the neckline.
Oh, I like that.
I got this crochet top because I love my crochet.
That's cute.
At Goodwill, I got this top here. It's originally from Aerie, but it looks really small here.
It looks like a baby.
Well, it's not. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Crumble review. This is the week of August 1st. We got some pretty good flavors here and I'm literally so excited. French toast, apple pie, monster cookie, salted caramel cheesecake. This is insane.
Insane.
So I'm using Chloe's lunchbox as a tripod.
What are you doing?
You don't have to be in it. I'm just
TikTok?
filming. We're trying apple pie first.
That's pretty good.
Wow, I need milk.
Ooh. Me too. Me three.
This one's an 8.
Sounds nice. Salted caramel.
This is good.
An 8?
8.5.
Yeah, that's an 8.5 for me.
Okay,
This
I'm
thing
rating mine too low. These are all really good. This is French toast.
It's good. It's almost a little dry.
Wow. Well, overall, great week. I think he has it backwards. He's having a hard
The whole
time.
lake of it going in circles. We're gonna go over there and switch it at the pier. Maybe I should go like this.
Hey everyone! Today is a monumental day because me and Chloe are seeing Barbie tonight. What better way to celebrate this amazing movie than to make a Ninja Creamy but diet pink. I just got these from the store. I've been using almond milk for my creamies, like just the base of almond milk and then adding protein powder. But I just want to use, like, have the protein and liquid all in one. So I'm gonna use half of this and then add a little bit of almond milk. Today's flavor is cake batter, because I just feel that makes sense, like pink cake batter, you know. Look how cute. She's ready to go. Hey guys, we're at the movie theater about to see Barbie. Why do I look like literally Edward Cullen right now? We have our creamies in this cooler. We're about to transport them into a backpack so we can sneak them into the theater. I'm also bringing in our mix-ins in my purse. Quite the snack we're bringing in.
We got my blanket. We got some whipped cream. Okay, don't bring the cute one.
Chloe, I don't want this to be melted. Okay guys, we're gonna go have a great time in the Barbie movie, but we will be back and we will let you know our honest opinions and review of the movie. Let's do this.
Well, because we haven't even talked about it.
We haven't talked about the movie yet.
I was waiting to get in the car.
What do you rate the movie?
Okay, I thought it was gonna be way better.
Me too. Okay, this movie was so hyped up.
And like some people were saying it was a 10 out of 10.
And like it was kind of weird.
It was kind of weird.
Like that whole like part where the Kens were just singing and dancing.
I'm like, what is going on?
What was that? Yeah, I don't know. I just kept thinking maybe it'll get better, but it didn't.
Yeah.
But also like I thought like I kind of wanted her to die at the end. Like they're killing off the stereotypical Barbie because that's not how that's not how women are. Should have just killed her. I don't know. Overall, I just...
No, I'm giving it like a 5.
Yeah, honestly, me too.
Like, she was really pretty.
She's really pretty. And Ryan Gosling, I don't know. The whole Kens were just annoying.
Yeah, the Kens were really annoying.
Yeah.
Like, they were really annoying.
I think everyone should see Barbie just to see it because it is the hot topic of life right now. Okay, signing out. It's almost midnight. Hey everyone. Today's a special day today because it's Chloe's 27th birthday. She's coming home soon and I laid out her gifts. Happy birthday!
Free
Birthday haul.
My free Starbies and my free jersey rings. Happy birthday, Chloe!
Falling to pieces and not running.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It is 3 and cake is half eaten. But you know what?
It doesn't matter.